Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is pronoun, that is he, she, it, they. Subject English for class first. Learning objectives. So by the end of the lesson, students will be able to first understand what a pronoun is, use he, she, it, they correctly in simple sentences, replace naming words with pronoun. Next, introduction. So, write on the board Ali is a boy, Ali is playing. And then ask students, can we say Ali again and again? And explain that instead of repeating a name, we use a pronoun. So, then tell students that what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a naming word. Next, presentation. So he we use for a boy, like Ali is playing, he is playing. She for a girl, Sarah is reading, she is reading. So instead of Sarah we can use she. For it for an animal we use or thing, like the cat is sleeping, then we use it is sleeping. They for more than one. The boys are running. So we use they are running like this. So you can explain these sentences one by one. Now activity first is show and tell activity. So show picture cards and ask student it is a boy or girl, and then student will answer, give the answer with the help of the pronoun that he or she, like this. Activity 2, fill in the blanks. You can give or ask orally that Reena is dancing, dash is dancing. So student will say she is dancing. The dog is barking, dash is barking, it is barking. Tom is my friend, dash is my friend, though he is my friend, like this. And also you can give practice worksheet to the students. The baby is crying, so dash is crying. The birds are flying, dash are flying. Ahmad is my brother, dash is my brother, like this. Now recap. So ask students that what is a pronoun, when do we use he, when do we use she, when do we use it, when do we use they, like this. These questions you can ask. Then home assignment, in which you can ask students to write 5 sentences using he, she, it, they. So this is the lesson plan of the pronoun. I hope you like my lesson. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.